My name is Ryan, and I'm gonna show my first review of LEGO World Races, and it's Blizzard's Peak. It's the 5th race, and it's so cool. Took like 2 days to build it, and on to the mini things. First up, you have a backyard blaster that drives the helicopter. This face, normal face, then this kind of face. And a cool helmet. And you have a trophy. Shows a mountain. Referee with a kind of helmet, goggles, palm on the face. You might see this in a kind of a set. And Team Extreme is so cool. This guy is like drives the vehicle. Goggles. Same with this guy, but he drives the back. Same goggles. And 2 more backyard blasters, and it's not even fair because there's only 3 bad guys and 2 good guys. They have the Spikes helmet. These are the scared faces. And now on to the vehicles. First off, you have the referees. These skis and stuff. There's a remote thing. And that's about it for this part. And now Team Extreme. And then you put these guys in. Put them in there, and then you shut it. And then the gun back controls this. You can move them any way, like they go like shooting. Like that far when you aim it like up here. And so cool. It has a sled front, goes up and down. And this part is like when it goes uphill, and this goes like when it's going straight. Bad guy vehicles now. The card's so cool. Has 2 things like on this card. Has a snowball launcher. That's what this part is for. And here it goes. But this one goes much farther than one for the helicopter. Oh man, that didn't work. It's a launcher. And so cool. My first thing like this, you get an orange one on the Magma Mech. And you get this same color piece on a Toy Story set. Huge tires, this goes up and down. And same on the helicopter. And it, oh man, thank you for falling apart. That's why I should be careful. And this can attach to this snowball. Trying to smash it on the Team Extreme. Like this. Boom. And this is about it for the thing, and bye.